guided meditation to step into your goal. Quantum shift from the mountain top. Before we begin, take a moment to tune into your heart. Open your journal and write down 3 questions. What is one idea, action, or alignment you want to start with? What is one thing you want to complete or move forward? What is one thing you want to gently release as you step into your next level? Write it down. Let your thoughts be free. Your answers are guiding your path tonight. When you write it down, you unload, and it would be much easier for you to align on what you want to do. You can pause this video and come back when you're done. Rising to the mountaintop. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently let go. Exhale. Releasing, relaxing, and transforming the vibe. Align. Inhale pure light and exhale relief. Allow your body settle. Allow your heart soften. Allow your mind slow down. Breathe. Breathe comfortably in and out. You are stepping in your quantum circle, your place of clarity, alignment, and expansion. Close your eyes and your breathing becomes slower and slower. Stretch your breathing. And imagine that you are standing at the base of the magnificent mountain. This mountain is ancient, wise, powerful, and it welcomes you. Now make a deep inhale, slowly exhale. Feel the earth beneath your feet, solid, grounding, and stable. Supporting your journey forward. With your next inhale, begin waking up those inner energies and make a first step on the path beneath your feet. With each step, feels lighter, effortless. Each step feels natural. And with each step, you align with your goal. As you rise higher and higher, the air becomes fresher, cleaner, and thoughts that being on your mind melting into air. Air filled with clarity and possibility. And now you are reaching the mountaintop. In front of you, a breathtaking horizon opens in front of you. The sky is clear, the air is pure, and the landscape stretches endlessly. This is your new perspective, your expanded awareness. The timeline you can choose from here. Here's on the mountaintop, You feel deep sense of relief. Deep sense of peace. Relax your belly, breathe deep. Feel this air. Here you feel more clear and aligned. You feel powerful. And now, in front of you, a quantum field begins to appear. A soft circle of shimmering energy, golden, silver, crystal, vibrating with infinite possibilities. This is your quantum circle of all potentials. Breathe. Step into it gently. Feel the energy welcomes you. Supporting you, aligned with you. Here, where is your vibration become a language, universal language is your vibration. Here's your frequency become your creation. Here's time dissolves and matter soften. And only pure potential is exists. Feel this moment. Stay with your senses in your body. Follow your breathing in and out. You are now the channel for your own creation. You are the channel for your own creation. and only you have access to your life journey files. And only you can choose your next timeline. Nobody else. Only you can choose. Be present now and let your energy speak to universe. Let your heart guide you. And let your soul reveal what is ready for you to manifest. Now bring to your mind the goal you came with. What is your goal? See yourself on mountain top, clear, focused, empowered. See how beautifully you can accomplish this goal. See yourself already accomplish this goal. How naturally you step into your next level. How your comfort zone expands with ease. Envision yourself, shoulders open, breathing deeply, confident, powerful. Radiate this amazing energy. Feel your body adjust to it. Your energy rising. Your emotions realigning. New emotional programs begin rewriting your patterns. Your vibration shifting. Your energy transforming. You expand to a new vision of yourself. You see now what is ready to manifest for you. You see what you can materialize for yourself. Feel it. Mean it. Allow yourself to step into this new experience with ease and flow. Feel it? It is yours now. You choose reality to manifest for you. Your energy and your vibration match perfectly where you're at right now. And now, with your vision, you're raising your vibration. You expanding your comfort zone. This moment is an anchor for your shift and transformation. Whatever now is going on in your body, notice that, remember that, and align with this vibration. See yourself in a new patterns, new emotions, new surroundings, new energy. How do you see yourself in this new reality? Let your vision become your experience. Allow your body to feel it with every cell. How you see yourself, how you feel in this new reality. Open your heart to this beautiful opportunity. Trust the process. Everything is process. And it's take place right now. Remember this vibration. It's all about vibration. It is the key that just open a new door for you. Your vibration is a key. You just plant the seed in this quantum field, and the result will find you back. Trust the process. Stay aligned. Keep your vibration high. You just change your energy. Your energy change your vibration, and your vibration now changing your reality. It's all about vibration. See your higher self just above you. You stay on a very high mountain and very big, and you see how your higher self shows you how it's rearranging your reality in the best way possible for you. You now see clearly your next step, your next idea, your next goal. Your next shift. You are now connecting to the new reality. You are just connected to your new destiny. Your focus is energy. Where is your focus? There's your energy. Your energy is vibration, and new vibration is a magnet. Whatever your vibration, that's what you attract. That's how it is. You attract whatever it is in your life. How do you vibrate? you can control by focus on what you're thinking. Invest your energy in the future, beautiful future. Trust yourself. Keep your heart open. Stay positive. All you experience emotionally, you manifest physically. Let go, trust, and allow the best to come to you. With deep appreciation, accept what was in your life. With deep appreciation, honor what you have now. And now, with support from Source, create the future that is ready for you through that vision. You just transform yourself. Make a deep inhale and slowly exhale. And whenever you're ready, you can gently open your eyes. And you can open your journal when you're ready and answer these 3 questions. What did I see or feel on the top of the mountain? What inspired action or ideas came through? What vibration I choose and take with me now? Remember that anchor vibration. Send it to every cell of your body. This is your transformational code for new reality that you choose.